Here's a tutorial related to the quality of playback inside Premiere Pro. Let's zoom in a little bit here. So here's a screen capture and there's the text. It's visible, and although that the quality is set to full from here, you can set it to lower, but it's set to the maximum. The quality of the text will change if I play and stop the video. So currently it is lighter, and when I play it, it's darker. Now it's lighter, now it's darker. Lighter when the video is stopped and darker when the video is playing. Okay, so to fix this problem, let's use the next tool, which is called settings, this wrench, and high quality playback. Check that one, high quality playback, and now when you play the video and stop the video, notice the quality of the text here is the same. Now it's playing, it's light gray, now it's stopped, it's light gray. Okay, so that's how to increase the quality of the playback. Of course, this will use a little bit more CPU and the frame rate might drop, but you can increase the quality at least.